are here at Morgan Motorsports. Just taking a look at what they've got going on after the weekend. Got a repair on this frame here. There's Jake and Ed helped me out this weekend. Thank you for that.
Absolutely, thanks for the opportunity.
Missed Parker.
Yeah.
Why didn't you come?
I had to work on my race car.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, way.
We got a Speed El Diablo here. All right, we got a Maverick R here, and this is the Morgan Motorsports cage with the hood scoop, more airflow into the intercooler. So they've got it all cut out here. You can kind of see more airflow for the intercooler. We got Jason out here looking at this bobbed Jeep. That's going to be pretty cool. So let's get out and look at what we came here for. And we got a couple special cars out here. This is a Polaris Xpedition with a full bumper kit. They've got the Baja tires, the KR2s on this. They look really awesome. Yeah, this car's ripping. KMC wheels, suspension setup. These Expeditions are way more popular than I ever thought they would be. I thought they would be a fad, but they are looking like they're here to stay, and they're looking like there's going to be more cars here in the near future competing for that business. All right, so we're going to be talking about the Segway lineup here at Morgan Motorsports. These are the 1000s, so they're called the Villain 1000. They come with fully adjustable shocks. And they're pretty well equipped for the price. These are in the sub $20,000 category. And it comes with the winch, comes with fully adjustable shocks, really nice seats, roof, and they pretty much sound like a Polaris 1000. They've got a good exhaust note. They have tree kickers that come stock with it, 30-inch tires with true beadlock wheels, and a tow hitch. And these guys are just for storage here in stock. The black, green, and the white, which is kind of like the race colors. Then they've got the UT10, and all of these cars share the same motor and transmission. So this one is the surprising one. The Can-Am Defender and the Rangers, not the heavy-duty Rangers, but the Rangers and the Defenders are, you know, sub 90 horsepower. These are 105 horsepower, so the capability to power these things up is pretty cool. And they have a lot of features in these, and these are sub 20,000 too. All this stuff you'd have to spend extra with Can-Am to get the nets, and then you've got USB ports, 12-volt port. You've got a bench seat, and there's storage boxes, toolboxes that you can pull out. There's a toolbox right there. And then extra storage underneath. Glove compartment, 10-inch screen. So these UT10s end up being a really good value. They're about 18 grand. And then Segway has a discount right now. I think you get like $2,000 off. Then of course you got the Morgan Motorsports Villain. If you buy one, do this treatment, it's about 40 grand with everything on it. Or you could probably come down here and knock 5 grand off of this one and get this one. It's a great car. I personally have had seat time in this car, and it is a great car. They have it set up right. So that is the Segway lineup here at Morgan Motorsports, and I'm filming this because I've got some really good deals right now. You can knock like 2 grand off. Okay, this is the car that we are here to highlight. This car has 35-inch Vision tires and has aluminum Vision wheels on it. They look very good. This is a 25 model, so the A-arms weren't powder coated, they come black. This is a non-electronic shock version. So the main thing that we're going to highlight on this car is the roof rack and the cargo rack and this light bar. It's got a aftermarket windshield on there with a windshield wiper, and then they fabbed up the system for the windshield wiper and the reservoir tank and all that stuff. This light bar actually has a motor right there that you can actuate the light bar in different directions. So that's pretty cool. Got the Sector 7 mirrors. Those things are expensive, but they put out a ton of light. They're multi-directional. You can see there's 3 different light systems in there. 1, 2, and then 3. Then Morgan Motorsports came up with this cargo rack. This cargo rack is really top quality. Look at that thing. It's a beautiful car. So they've got the Morgan Motorsports roll cage for the Maverick R. They've got the Morgan Motorsports rear end. They got the really beautiful taillights and the extra room for cargo. They did put the license plate holder inside the triangle. I think that's a nice touch. Chase light in the cage there. It's all dialed in. Not too much in the interior, but this is a Morgan Motorsports product. This is a sun visor. So essentially what you do is you pull that in and you can put it in several different directions. So that's a neat sun visor. I would be fine without electronic suspension. These shocks have 3 modes. You just click the shocks in 3 different directions. And I believe through shock therapy you can now get these, they just replace the top here and turn these shocks into electronic suspension. So that upgrade is always available now, that if you have non-electronic suspension.